This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update to the last version of iOS, that is 26.1 beta 4. This is a beta release, so you can check iOS before common person. I'm updating this one to iPhone 17 Pro Max. So you can do from iPhone 11 to iPhone 17 any version of iPhone. If you have iPhone older than iPhone 11, you may not able to update this one. So without any further ado, we have to go to setting option here. You can see, go inside the setting. In setting, you have to go here, general, go inside. In general, you'll see here software update. Many times you'll get notification. If you don't get any notification, you have to do manually. Here, if you don't see this one, you have to tap this one. You have to turn on automatic installation. Also, you have to have Apple developer account. If you don't have Apple developer account, you may not see this update. So you have to on the Apple developer software in this case. And if you don't have, so let's go to the Safari to make an Apple developer account. Type here Apple developers. Here, the first one you see iOS app developers. Not that one, that is ads. Here, this one, Apple developers. Go inside. In developers, you have to connect with your Apple ID. You have to make an account with them, and it should be the same account of your phone. I click here, you see account option, click this one. You have to sign in with the same account, with your same Apple account, which one you are using in your phone. If you sign in with another account, it's not gonna work. So put your email address. You see the agreement, you can read if you want. Hit yes here, hit agree. Customize experience and all that, get started. Skip and finish. I finish all the project. Later you can do an email and all the things. So this is Apple developer is activated. Now we'll go to the setting again. So which phone are supported in this case? From iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, 14, 15 and 16. Pro Max, also Plus version are eligible for this beta. iPhone 10, you may not get this beta update. After checking all the things, you have to go back here. You have to do a backup, because if you want to revert and go back from this option, if you don't do backup, you'll have a problem. So go to here at the name of your Apple account. Inside there, you will see iCloud. iCloud normally gives you 5 GB of backup option. If you have more than that data, then you have to purchase 1 TB, something as this. So here you see iCloud backup 2 days ago. Click this one. And I hit backup now. Hit continue. If you have only some important document data, 5 GB is enough. But if you have a lot of photos and videos, it will take a lot of amount of data. And normally if you don't back up photo or video, 5 GB will be enough. So you have to wait a little bit. Backup is done. Then we go back. After doing backup and everything, what you have to do, you have to hit here, update now. And one more important thing, you have to check your battery life is full. If it's not, connect with a charger, because in the middle, if your phone is stopped, it will break your phone. So then you'll have many problems more. So put your password in this case. We have 4 GB of update to different people, could have different updates. So let's see, update requested. You can see here 31 minutes remaining. So meanwhile, you can go and grab some tea or coffee, and I'll be back. After restarting couple of times, it comes to this screen. You see here software update. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 26.1. This is beta 4. So let's unlock. Here we go. This I don't use iMessage tune. So here, so I guess this is the last beta, should be before RC, the release candidate. Let's see the changes in this case. The first change, liquid glass option, you can pause now. So how we can do that? In this case, Apple is going back against liquid glass. You can see here display and brightness. Now you see here liquid glass clear. So if you don't want more liquid glass, so if we put here tinted and we open any apps, for example App Store, so you can see here is not that more transparent. It doesn't look that beautiful as before. Here you see here, if we put clear option, more clear, and we open App Store, here is a little bit more transparent. So with tinted doesn't look that good. I don't know why Apple coming back to this option again. Few more things Apple has removed. Previously has more glue effect here. Now there less glue effect. Okay, previously it was better. This option, if I go back here, put tinted option. In tinted, if you move, is not that beautiful as before. I don't know why Apple going back. After that, the something changes at the edges of the icons of the buttons. Before is more as a glass. Now you see some light on the edges. It's not more as a shiny crystal glasses. You see, it's no more as a glass. So Apple is going back. Maybe to the next beta they will come again with liquid glass. Another changes, if I put here, if I slide in the lock screen, you can go to camera option directly. If you want, now you can pause this one. So I go inside setting. In setting, if you go inside camera here, let's see. So here we go, this button you see, lock screen swipe to open camera. You can off now, brilliant, I like this. So I lock the phone here, unlock, swipe the camera is not coming more. In this case, lovely, camera is not more here. Another option, another things will open, but no more camera. That was sometimes so much annoying. So you can pause the camera. Lovely change. Next change, you're gonna talk about the haptic feed button. Now if you go inside phone option here, if I type phone directly, go inside the phone. So we are here in the phone setting. If you go down at the phone setting, here you have a new button. You can see here haptic. So of this haptic button, so all kinds of vibration and haptic you just can stop with just one button. This is lovely thinking in this case. I like this one. Next change, we can see if we go inside the setting again, and if we go to Apple Intelligence here, if you go inside Apple Intelligence, you can see, notice something, all the text one side, but most important thing, there is no more beta written. So Apple Intelligence now is a complete version. This is full version. There is no more beta. There will be more update will come soon, but no more beta is written. So it's a complete version. Another minor change you can see if you change wallpaper. Here, for example, default wallpaper, if you change, you had some visual at the bottom, but now no more, only see the dots with the default wallpaper. Okay, so this is one minor change. Some other change, if we go to Safari, you see how now you see blurred option, no more clear visual, more transparency. So the glass effect is going out slowly from different places. So these are some of the changes, important changes. Obviously there are some curve changes, some phonetic changes. We're not gonna talk about all those. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.